I've got a 2002 Honda Civic. It was overheated to the state of way past Hades, and it burnt the oil. You can see the oil's really black in there. And the problem that we're having, it's a no start, no compression that I can tell. It probably warped the head would be my guess, but we can't only get all the spark plugs out. We got the spark plug out of this one. Normal coil looks like this. This is the plug that came out of there. This is the coil that broke off, and we had 3 of the 4 coils break off when we were trying to take them out. We tried drilling and messing around with different ways of trying to get that out of there with little success. So I'm going to get drastic with a hammer and a big punch and see if we can't snap off the top of the spark plug and pull it out the top. Otherwise, we're looking at replacing the head or sending it to a machine shop and see if they can dick with it and get it apart. Those spark plugs are pretty deep down inside the head, so we'll see what happens here. I'm going to give it a whack and give it a try.